Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fondue. First, select about 10 ounces of your favorite chocolate, whether it's rich dark, creamy milk, or classic semi-sweet. Break it into small, uniform pieces to ensure even melting. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Finally, gather an assortment of dippers like fresh strawberries, banana slices, fluffy marshmallows, or crunchy pretzels. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now let's melt that chocolate perfectly. Set up a double boiler, or simply place a heat-proof bowl over a pot of gently simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Pour the 1/2 cup of heavy cream into the bowl and let it warm up for a minute or two. Then, add your chocolate pieces. Stir continuously until the chocolate is completely melted and beautifully smooth, creating a luscious, uniform fondue. Once your chocolate is perfectly melted, it's time to serve. Carefully pour the warm, silky fondue into a dedicated fondue pot. If you don't have one, a small, heat-proof serving bowl works well. Keep it warm over a very low flame or a small tea light candle to maintain that delightful, dippable consistency. Now, invite everyone to grab their favorite dippers and enjoy the rich, decadent chocolate experience. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your fondue experience. For an extra layer of flavor, consider stirring in a splash of vanilla extract or a tablespoon of your favorite liqueur, like Grand Marnier or Kahlua. If your fondue starts to thicken too much while serving, simply whisk in 1 tablespoon of warm, heavy cream until it reaches your desired consistency again. And speaking of smooth operations, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean. It's truly a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.